Healthcare stocks having their best week since June, and options traders are making bullish bets on one under-the-radar name in the space. Pete Najarian carving out some time in Minneapolis. You're away from the fair. You got the unusual activity, though. Pete?
Yeah, I'm just coming from the fair, as a matter of fact, Mel. But yeah, in this stock, this biotech stock, Exelixis, it's interesting because it's not a name that ever gets talked about. I don't really remember ever hearing that anyway. EXEL. Very interesting to see this, though, because it jumped on our screens pretty early in the trading day today, buying the October 22 strike calls. About 8,000 of those trading, Mel. They were buying them starting in the 45-cent range, moved up to all the way towards 80 cents. It's interesting to see just because of the fact that I don't see this name very often. I like what I see, what's going on here. They actually have a PE. This isn't one of these pie-in-the-sky type names. They actually have some profits. So it's a name that somebody seems to think has some movement in the very short term. We're talking about just over a month and a half or so. I'm in these calls, so I'm very, very excited about what might happen there and why are they buying these. I got an update as well for you. We talked about FedEx just on Wednesday. Stock was trading about 150 at the time. They were buying the September 162.5 calls. They were paying about $1.50. Today, those calls got as high as $4 when the stock got over 160. So you've got to be disciplined in this market, Mel. We talk about it all the time. I mean, you and I and Guy have kicked around this idea of volatility being volatile. Well, this is exactly what's going on. So I think you have to take what's in front of you. I trimmed almost all my position in FedEx today off of that. I'm going to hold on to a couple left. But I just really like what we're seeing out there. But you've got to stay nimble. You cannot be in this market expecting every day is going to continue to the upside. We've seen some pretty big down days as well.